Had to come out and crank the Sierra this morning. Like 30 degrees out here this morning. It's nice out here now. It's about 60. But just trying to keep it random because I never drive a truck. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't know. It love gas. That's why I don't. As long as I got that little compass over there, I can save my money. But it's been sitting for about a month or two. Trying to crank it up. Keep the battery up on it. Probably get Mara to wash it. Get Mara to wash it up for me. Tires still look like brand new. Inside still look good. Never opened the sunroof but one time. First night, meet me in the back. I got a pound of chronic and the gang of freaks. Move, bitch. 4-door in the back. 5.3. Yeah, 22-inch rim. Carbon fiber seat. Sorry.